Hello, welcome back, and this week I'm doing another colour palette prompt. This is the colour palette I've chosen for May. Some lovely shades of blue and turquoise and this bright sort of berry pink colour and a touch of grey. Really like these colours, especially the turquoises. They are some of my favourite colours to work with. And today I thought I'd do something that's been around for a long time. I haven't had a go at it myself, and that's like a dot mandala pattern. And I do a lot of artist trading coins, so I thought it would be perfect, you know, as the dot mandala patterns are generally worked in a circular shape, perfect for the artist trading coins. If you don't do coins, that's fine. You could turn these into little magnets, you could pop them in your journal, you could use them to collage with, you know, or as a lot of people have done, you could do these patterns onto pebbles or canvases or any other sort of surface that you want to. So I've die cut 2.5 inch circle from some stiff black card here, and I'm going to be using some shades of Deco Art Americana paint that match my colour palette as best as I can do. So for those of you that are interested, this is Sea Breeze, Razzleberry, True Blue, Desert Turquoise and Colonial Blue, and they're all Deco Art Americana paints. I like the quality. They're good basic craft paint, but it's good coverage, nice bright colours, lovely range of colours, and that's what I'm using today. I've got some tools for making my dots, and I'm going to be using the end of a pencil, and these are some embossing ball tools. Again, use what you've got. Look for things around the house that you've got that would make different size circles. The thing that I do want to do to begin with is just pencil in a couple of guidelines. The tricky thing to making this look neat is to keep it circular, and I'm by no means an expert at this, but putting a few guidelines in will just sort of help a little bit to sort of try and keep you on track. So I'm just lining up on a gridded mat here, just so that I can pencil in a couple of lines. So I'm just going to do that, then I'm going to rotate it. I just want to mark in 8 lines, just to basically sort of try and keep me on track as best as possible. And I'm hoping that you can just see that. These won't really be noticeable when it's finished, but it's just there as a bit of a guideline. So this is just a piece of deli paper that I've got down and that I can throw away when I've finished. I've popped out a little blob of each of the colours of paint that I'm using. And really, I'm just going to sit and enjoy creating a little pattern here. So I'll just speed this up and pop some music on. And here we are with the finished coin, and a couple more that I've done before. This one's still a little bit wet where I've gone over it. As you saw partway through, I let it dry and then went over some of the larger dots using contrasting colours, just to add a little bit more interest. And just using, you know, the same colour paints in different orders, different designs, make it as simple as you want, as complicated as you want. It's just really fun just to sort of switch off and just play with these dots. Great way to use a colour palette suggestion. If you haven't seen the other projects that I've done so far this year, I'll link the playlist at the end. I have put them all in a playlist so that you can find them. If you enjoyed the video, as always, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want to, and I'll be back again next week. Bye.